What's going on, mother truckers? I don't know if you guys heard, but I got messages for days today. There have been so many semi-truck drivers that said that they got involved in a pileup on the I-39 in El Paso, Illinois. And here's a message from the state trooper.
I'm Trooper Policina with the Illinois State Police, and I'm on scene of a multi-vehicle crash on Interstate 39 near Milepost 14 in El Paso, Illinois. Troopers are currently working diligently to get everyone off the roadway safely and quickly as possible. We're asking everyone to avoid the area. Please do not travel unless it is emergency.
It happened the other day. It went through the night, and actually the I-39 is still backed up this morning. So, mother truckers, all I'm saying is just be safe out there. It's icy out there. You know, truck drivers run America. We move America. But if you don't feel comfortable, please pull over. Please get to a truck stop. But mother truckers, please let me know if you were involved in this as well, or if you have any other information about this. This is still under investigation. But the biggest thing about this is nobody was hurt. So we are so thankful for that. But mother truckers, if you're on the I-39, please, definitely go a different direction because it is crazy out there.